Hi there, my name is Chris O'Donnell. I'm a woodworker from Barbados. It's a small island in the Caribbean. I want to show you guys how I round the end of a stick. I'm making paper towel holders. I take a broomstick and cut it in three to get 3 paper towel holders. I'm going to switch the camera over to the other side now and show you the setup. So here we have the base of the paper towel holder. I drill a hole in the center of the paper towel holder and put a stick in here tight. Also, there's another stick, small stick that go in here. And at the end of the stick now, it has to be rounded to give it a nice appearance. Down here we have the router fitted inside a hole that I cut in the work table, and there's a prop behind here that stops the router from going backward. There's also a bracket here that I made that I've clipped on to the base of the router. I use a 3/4 round bit with a bearing. So what I do is I just push the stick in here against the router bit, and it cuts the round. The stick goes back against the bearing to stop it from being damaged. The bracket here also stops the stick from moving around and being damaged by the bit. I'll switch the router on now and I'll show you the result in a moment. So here's the result, all nice and rounded. All I need to do is just finish sand it with my finish sander. Thanks for watching.